Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with iOS Keychain for JWT storage. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Xcode project. Ensure that your project includes the necessary frameworks. Go to your project's target settings and select the Signing and Capabilities tab. Add the Keychain sharing capability to your project. Next, create a new Swift file for your Keychain manager. Import the security framework within that Swift file. Define a function to store your JWT token in the keychain. Use the SECitem function to add the token securely. Define another function to retrieve the token from the keychain. Use SECitem copy matching to access the stored token. Implement error handling to manage any issues with keychain operations. Make sure to delete any existing tokens before storing a new one. After retrieval, decode the token to ensure it is valid. Consider using a model to represent the token data structure. Test the keychain integration by storing and retrieving a test token. Use breakpoints and print statements to monitor the process. Finally, ensure your app has the necessary permissions to access the keychain. Confirm that your stored JWT token is securely managed and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.